Difference between TEF and TCF? The TEF and TCF are both standardized tests used to assess proficiency in the French language, but they have some key differences. One purpose: TEF, primarily used for professional, immigration, and academic purposes. It evaluates French language proficiency for individuals who need to demonstrate their skills for work, study, or immigration to French-speaking countries. TCF, designed for academic and non-academic purposes, including immigration, admission to French universities, certification of French language proficiency for employment, and personal reasons. 2. Content. TEF consists of 4 main sections: listening comprehension, reading comprehension, speaking, and writing. It may also include optional sections such as vocabulary and grammar. TCF comprises 3 main sections: listening comprehension, reading comprehension, and language structures. There is no separate speaking or writing section in the standard TCF exam. 3. Scoring. TEF scores are typically reported on a scale from 0 to 990, with separate scores for each section. The overall score is calculated based on the cumulative performance across all sections. TCF scores are reported on a scale from A1 to C2, aligned with the CEFR proficiency levels. Each section is assessed separately, and candidates receive a level for each skill. 4. Validity. TEF test results are generally valid for 2 years from the date of the test. TCF test results are usually valid indefinitely, but specific organizations or institutions may have their own validity requirements. 5. Test administration. TEF, administered by the Chamber of Commerce and Industry of Paris and conducted at authorized testing centers worldwide. TCF, administered by the Centre International d'études pédagogiques on behalf of the French Ministry of Education and conducted at authorized testing centers globally. The duration of the TEF and TCF exams can vary depending on the specific version of the test and the sections included. However, here are the typical durations for each exam. 1. TEF exam time. The TEF exam usually takes around 2 to 4 hours to complete. The duration may vary based on whether optional sections are included, as well as the specific requirements of the institution or organization administering the exam. 2. TCF exam time. The standard TCF exam typically lasts between 1.5 to 3 hours. Since the TCF exam consists of 3 main sections: listening comprehension, reading comprehension, and language structures, the duration may vary slightly depending on the number of questions and the complexity of the content. It's important to note that these time estimates are approximate and can vary based on factors such as the version of the exam, the specific instructions provided by the testing center, and any additional sections or accommodations required by individual candidates. Therefore, it's advisable for candidates to check with the testing center or exam administrator for precise information regarding the duration of their specific TEF or TCF exam. In summary, while both TEF and TCF assess French language proficiency, they have different focuses, formats, scoring systems, and purposes, catering to various needs such as immigration, academic admission, employment, and personal interest in French language proficiency.